Hi everyone, this is Namrata Kalsi
Hi, I'm Sandhya Chandra.
and we are here for Team Change Your Lives second video, which is mainly to introduce the range Luminess from Junes Global. Like I had said in my earlier video that we are going to take you through all the products one by one, and this is the first set of products which works from outside in terms of skincare, which is called the Luminess range. Now, these products have certain kinds of growth factors. These kind of growth factors in products are not found anywhere in this part of the world. They are totally unique and they are stem cell growth factors which work at the cellular level and at the DNA level of the cells. These products are good for all skin types and they can be used for dry skin, combination skin, sensitive skin, oily skin, all the skin types, because they don't work on the outer surface, they work within the cells, which is at the cellular level. These were founded by Dr. Nathan Newman. Dr. Nathan Newman is a very highly, kind of acclaimed doctor. He's a dermatologist and a cosmetic surgeon in Beverly Hills, California. And these products, the growth factors in them were formulated by him. He saw that, he had treated a lot of disfigurations and lot of skin issues with stem cells technology. And that's when he applied these growth factors into these products, which Sandhya, as a salon owner, understands the products very well. So I would tell her, request her to take you through how to use these products and what are the benefits of these products. So over to Sandhya to take you through the entire range step by step.
Thank you and hi again. I'm going to help you know about the products, their benefits, how to apply it and how much to use. So we have Manju, our model here, who is going to help us with the applications and show you how she's going to use the products. So the first product is the Youth Restoring Cleanser. Now this is not an ordinary cleanser. It does not rip you of all the moisturizer like the other cleansers do. It works at the cellular level. It maintains your hydration level, and what it really does is it helps to remove your makeup as well. So when you apply this product, it opens your pores for it to accept the other range of the products. So I'm going to tell you how to use this product. First you have to unseal the cap, which is you just turn it around and you take about a peanut size of the product and apply it all over your skin. Take some water and emulsify the product. While you are emulsifying, it opens the pores, removes the debris from the skin. It helps to maintain the moisture. It helps to even out the skin. And it's beautiful to remove your makeup as well. So here we are going to remove the cleanser with tissue, but in your house you can just go do it on the tap water. So you just dab out the skin and leave it a bit moist. Now what you really have to do is please shut the lid by turning the lid around so you have kind of don't waste the product. Now the second product is the Cellular Rejuvenating Serum. This is the flagship product. It's a beautiful product and a must use for every type of skin. What it does is it has the 200 growth factors that Namrata was talking about. It has the stem cells to go and repair the skin at the cellular level. What does it do? It helps acne, it helps pigmentation, it helps the age lines, it helps to lift the skin up, it maintains the protein level in the skin, and it's beautiful. So how you apply this is open the lid, take again a peanut size of the serum and dab it all over your skin with the tip of your fingers. Do not leave your under eye area and the top of the lids. And all the movement should be in upward strokes because this is a lifting, it lifts your skin. This is not like an ordinary serum. This seeps right into the cellular level and talks to the cells and helps to remove all any kind of imperfections that your skin might have. And it can be used for all kinds of skins. And that's the most beautiful thing about the product. So what you really do is put the lid back and you put it back. After you've put the serum, there is the moisturizing complex. It also has an SPF 30 in it, which helps you to guard your skin against the UVA and the UVB rays. What does it do? It helps to moisturize the skin. It helps the skin to be soft and supple. It helps the imperfections of the skin. It helps you against the sun rays. How are you supposed to use it? Turn the lid around and take again a tiny bit size of the product and dab it all over your skin. The best thing about the moisturizer is it's not at all greasy. It's very, very light, it's not greasy, and it protects you against the sun beautifully. And the most important thing, it leaves your skin 24 hours moisturized. So it's that beautiful. So Manju is doing a great job. She's really putting the skin through. And to shut the thing, just turn the lid around so it kind of goes inside. Now these three products, that is the cleanser, the serum and the moisturizer, has to be done in the morning. For the women, they can put their makeup on. For the men, they can just go as it is. Now during the night, you still cleanse your skin again, put the serum the way she was putting it, and the third product, instead of the moisturizer, you have to use the night cream. Now what is this night cream about? This night cream, of course, as the name suggests, it works on the DNA, it works on your cellular level, it lifts the skin, it helps to repair the skin, it helps to remove the blemishes from the skin, and it does all night. What it does is calms your skin down. And how do you have to use it? So Manju, can you take a tiny bit of it? So that's the amount you take, and dab it all over your skin with the tips of your fingers and let it seep through your skin. Very lightly, so you don't have to lose any pressure on the skin. It seeps by itself and it's really beautiful on the skin. The repair that you see with the skin. Now you get many night creams in the market, but this is different because, like Namrata again said, it works on the stem cells, it works on the cellular level, and it's beautiful. Now these are your 4 products which you have to use every day. But there are 2 other products that this line has, which is your lifting mask. This is a beautiful product. It is rich with antioxidants and minerals. What it really does is it lifts your skin. How do you have to use it? You clean your skin with a cleanser, apply a thin layer of this product all over your face, wait for 20 minutes and then just peel it off. It just works miraculously. The benefits are lifting of the skin. It leaves your skin very luminous. It helps the scarring system. It maintains your hydration, and you can use it twice a week. So that's a beautiful product. The next product is that we always take care of our facial skin, but we usually forget our other body parts. Now the other body parts are really suffering. They're dry. They collect cellulite. This cream helps to hydrate and also helps the cellulite to a great extent. This is a great product.
So thank you so much for all of you. Thank you to Manju and Sandhya for being a part of this, and sharing so beautifully all the products, and telling everybody how to use them and what are the benefits. So guys, these are great products, and this technology is like very, very new to this part of the world, and I think everyone should take advantage. Everyone should order them, everyone should try them, sample them. So get back to us fast, inbox us, message us, call us, and we'll be there to help you with all the products. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see you, and we will see you on the next one. Thank you so much.
Thank you.